A lot of people are thinking that the economy is about to crash. I mean, the stock market's already down a bunch, but with the Fed raising interest rates and issues happening over in the UK, people are pretty concerned about the economy going down and it being kind of a prolonged struggle for a while. Now, do I know what's going to happen? I have no clue. I don't have a crystal ball. I don't think anybody really ever knows, but what I do know is the best way to have a defense against any sort of big issues happening in the world or the economy when it comes to your finances is to have a source of income in a business that you 100% control. To me, to build that kind of business today means you got to own the brand and you got to own the platform you sell on. So I've built a business, which you can see a couple of our Inc. awards back here, a business that does about $30 million a year in sales with 90% of that on Shopify. We've got a customer list of hundreds of thousands of people. We can email anytime we want. We can send an SMS message. We can do retargeting ads. We can even send physical postcards because they bought from our store, which means we have that relationship with the customers. We're not sort of dependent on Amazon, trying to hide that customer data from us, or people being able to bash us on Amazon, hurting our business, any of that kind of stuff. We use Amazon, we don't depend on it. Now, the first step to build this kind of business is you've got to have the right product to sell. So if you're starting a business from scratch, you got to pick the right kind of product that can crush it on your own website, selling on Shopify, using that as a platform. If you already own an e-commerce business, then you got to see if you have the right kind of product that can work on Shopify, and if not, what is the quickest way to add one that still fits your brand? Because you've already done a lot of good work, you've got products to sell, but those may be the back-end products you sell, so you got to figure out if you've got the right kind of front-end product to sell. I want to show you how to do this. I'm doing a live training on Wednesday, October 26th. I would love to have you there. You can register right here on this page so you can build a business that's bulletproof no matter what happens in the world, no matter what happens in the economy, using the same system we've used to build this business from nothing to about $30 million a year in sales. So register on this page and I'll see you there.